children? Then a black man passed by, and he gave you a suspicious and spiteful glance?
Exactly.
You were trying to run away from Uncle Frank, leaving footprints on the snow. Come on, we're going home.
If I break the window, maybe I can escape. But that would be loud. There must be something in this damn house, so I can open the window without making too much noise.
I should check on the boy.
Hope he hasn't noticed that I left. I hope he hasn't noticed.
Well, wait a second. Something is wrong here. Okay, everything seems to be in place.
What the... Is it human meat? Oh, damn it! Shit! It's broken. But if I fix it, I can get out without making any noise. This sound, is it coming from the canteen? Shit. It's coming here.
Is that you making noise there?
Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Okay, everything seems to be in place.
Ah, there you go. Good as new. Almost.
Forgive me for not offering you, but I've spent enough this month, so I know how it looks, but believe me, I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm not one of those. On the contrary, I want to help. You know, fire scorches. It burns and it doesn't care. It doesn't care what or who or how much it hurts. And I want to extinguish it, and I'll extinguish your fire. And Jacob, you and I are doing the real good here. The real good. Not this liberal turn the other chick nonsense. Yes, it's hard. But to be a man is to act like a man and pay a big price. Okay. I have to go upstairs. Thanks for listening, Jacob. I don't feel well.
Okay, buddy. Don't let me down. Doesn't look like it's working. Yes, yes, yes! This time, I'll definitely do it.